In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a vendor invoice you plan to pay later, so your accounts payable and cash flow stay accurate. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the correct company. From the main dashboard, look for the Create or New button, often shown with a plus icon at the top. Open that menu and choose Bill from the Vendors or Suppliers section. This opens the bill form where you'll enter the details from your vendor's invoice. Begin at the top by selecting the vendor. If the vendor isn't in your list yet, you can add them on the fly so the bill is tied to the right payee. Enter the bill date exactly as shown on the vendor invoice. QuickBooks will use your vendor's terms to calculate the due date automatically, but you can adjust it if needed. Add the bill number for easy matching and audit trail. Now complete the body of the bill. If you're tracking general expenses, use the Category Details section to pick the proper expense account, add a description, and enter the amount. If you track products or services, or you manage inventory, use the Item Details section to select the product or service, quantity, rate, and amount. You can split a bill across multiple lines, mix categories and items, and assign a class or location if your company uses those features. If you rebill costs to customers, assign the customer or project on the line and mark it billable. If your region uses sales tax on purchases, choose the correct tax for each line. Add a memo to explain the purpose of the bill and attach a copy of the vendor invoice so everything is stored together. If you use multiple currencies, confirm the vendor currency is correct before saving. Take a moment to review the totals, dates, and accounts. When everything looks right, select Save and Close to Finish, or Save and New if you have more bills to enter. QuickBooks records the bill in Accounts Payable, and you'll see it under Expenses and in your Pay Bills workflow when you're ready to schedule payment. A quick tip: use a bill only when you plan to pay later. If you already paid the vendor, record it as an expense or check instead to avoid duplicates. Also, setting vendor terms and defaults ahead of time can speed up future entries. That's it. Open QuickBooks, create a bill, fill in accurate details, and save. With this process, your payables stay organized and your reports remain reliable.